Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. In today's video, I brought to you a YouTube advice. Advice that may destroy your growth. There's some advice that all these YouTube gurus are giving on this YouTube street. So some of the advice might destroy your growth. You understand? You have probably heard this YouTube advice 100 times. Yes, I'm sure you have heard about it. So just post consistently and the growth will come. That is the advice. Everybody it will be telling you post consistently. From there, YouTube algorithm will locate you. The growth will come. But I came to tell you that it is a lie. You understand? It is a lie. Well, I'm here to tell you that advice may be the very thing that is holding your channel back. Yes. There's some dangerous advice that may be holding your channel back and you think you're growing, which you are not. This is what I'm about to tell you. You understand? So I portioned it and I'll be explaining it, each of it bit by bit, okay? If this is what you're looking for, don't touch or die. I'll be right back. Guys, number one of it is what I termed the dangerous advice. Don't worry, hold on. I will explain to you why I name it dangerous advice. You understand? If you are just uploading video after video without no real plan, you understand, no target audience and no effort to improve, then you are not growing. So that is what I told you. Now some YouTuber will come and tell you that you should post consistently, that even if you just try showing up on your channel, try posting consistently, that the growth will come. You understand? So but I'm here to tell you that it is not like that. Yeah, consistently is good, but it is not actually the way it is. You understand? Can you imagine every day you keep on posting, you keep on showing up every day on your channel, you keep on doing things and still no heads up, no plan, nothing, no growth. You understand? No target audience. You don't even have any plan. Some people on this YouTube, they don't know why they are here. That is the main reason. Have you asked yourself why you are here? You understand? When you figured it out, why you are here, then you can be able to do exploits on your channel. You can be able to gather some ideas on what to do or plan your channel. You understand? It will bring growth. Some people, they just 2025 is social media, the world economy is very hard. Let's enter YouTube, and you will stay here 20 years, you will not achieve anything. Others are achieving. You are here posting, showing up constantly, posting video constantly, still nothing is happening on your channel. Yeah, then you are not growing. You understand? You are just uploading into the void. You're just uploading into the air. Some people, I pity those people that post every day, but still they are not getting the views. Still they are not growing. That is what I meant. So guys, the second part of it is that, let me tell you why it fails, why you posting consistently is not really the best for you. I will explain to you why it fails. YouTube isn't a game of quantity, you understand, anymore. These days, it's not really pumping video into your channel that is matter, or showing up on your channel that is matter. No, it's this 2025. It's not really what will grow your YouTube channel. You understand? Yes, it's a game of what do you have. Is your video quality? You understand? That is what you should ask yourself. Have you made a video one day before you upload? You made a video and you used your hand and watched your video. That is why I advise every content creator to get a second channel. You understand? Even if you are not uploading anything on it, just use it to be watching yourself whenever you want to upload a video. Make sure that you watch yourself before you upload that video. So have you come across your video, you are watching your video, you now ask yourself, if another person see this video, would they really like it? Is there anything that they are getting from this video that I just uploaded? Assuming that you are not the one, will you watch sort of video? That is what you should ask yourself before you upload any video on your channel. You understand? Because now these days, is not really about a quantity, uploading 5 videos a day, uploading 3 videos a day. It's about how quality are those videos. You understand? And strategy. You understand? Hope you have a strategy to upload the video that will make the views to come. And again, you have connection. What I mean by connection, people that can, there's some people, because they know somebody that knows somebody, before you know it, their channel will be growing. There's some people that know big YouTuber that they're shouting them out on their YouTube. They will shout them out, place their chat, ask their audience to go and follow them. That is the connection that we are talking about. This is what this YouTube is all about. It's not really constantly pumping video on your channel. How quality is those video? Hope those video you have a strategy to make the algorithm to recommend it. Not really posting. This is what they are telling you. This is why your video, number one, we talk about dangerous advice, posting constantly on your channel. This number two, now we are discussing about why it fails, why posting constantly is not the main deal. You understand? This is what I'm about to tell you. Here's what happened to a lot of new creators, and especially is new creators that is falling this victim. You understand? Of they say we should show up on our channel. They say we should post video every day. You understand? So number one is they post 2 to 3 times a week. And when you watch that video, they are posting 2 to 3 times. No quality. They are just posting random things. That is why I said previously that before you upload the video, hope you're asking yourself a question when you watch that video. If I am not this person on this video, can I really watch this video? That is what you should ask yourself before you upload any video. You understand? So the second one of the why it faces that the mistakes that new content creators are making, you understand, is their view stays flat. As they are pumping that video, still no growth is coming. Their views is flat. You understand? The third part is they get discouraged. After you pumping the video as a new creator, you're posting 3 times a week without no heads up. Secondly, your views even stay flat after posting that 3 times a week. Your views is not increasing. Thirdly, you got discouraged. This YouTube is not for me. This YouTube is not going anymore. This YouTube is not moving anymore. You understand? Fourth, because the only thing, the last but not the least that you will do at that stage is to burn out. You understand? Is to burn out. And the worst of all is the YouTube algorithm learns to ignore their content. You understand? I keep on saying this thing, that when you post something that is not quality, I don't think that YouTube will push it out. And some people are saying, as far as there is an engagement, YouTube, you understand, this YouTube know what they are doing. They normally push a video that solves people's problem. You understand? Even if you're doing a vlog, you can teach us how to declutter your clothes. How to do, even if you're cooking, you teach a different recipe, your own recipe, maybe your village recipe. People are learning something from your channel. You understand? If you're doing makeup, you can show us your own tutorial, how you do your own makeup, how you do your own face beat. Your own tutorial is different. So each and every one of us have a unique thing on their niche that we audience can learn. You understand? So, and what's of it, the YouTube algorithm learns to ignore their content, because if your first 10 video don't perform well and you don't change anything, the next 10 won't either. You understand? This is what they are telling you. If your first 10 video didn't perform well, how sure are you that the next 10 of your video that you will upload next will perform well? Because one, if your next 10 video didn't perform well, you're still posting, you are not looking for solution. What is happening? In what way will I tackle my channel? What way? How will I do it? In what way will I be getting views? What and what to do? And you didn't figure it out. You're still pumping. You're thinking that when you are up to 50 videos, when you finish pumping like 50 videos on your channel, that your channel will pick up. It is a lie. YouTube doesn't work that way in this 2025. Now, number 3, I tell me what you should do instead. After doing all these things, I told you the lie that all these YouTube coach are telling people that you should post consistently, that you show up in your channel. The second one, I told you why that posting consistently fails, why it's failing. Then this third one is what you should do instead. You understand? If you encounter all this, if you are in this category, this is, just listen carefully. Let me use the opportunity, please. If you have not subscribed to my channel, just hit that subscription button. You understand? Just hit the like, share my video, and you will not regret it. I share you're getting value, right? Stick with me, we are going to somewhere. All right, let's dive in. So number 3 of it is what you should do instead. If you really want to grow, here's what you need instead of just consistency. If you really want to grow, instead of being consistently showing up on your channel, this is what you need to do. Number 1, clarity. You understand? Clarity. Know who you are telling, know who you are talking to, know your audience, know the type of people that you want for your audience. That is clarity. You know, clarity, when you have focus, when you know that you're heading to somewhere, you're going to somewhere, clarity should be your number 1. Secondly, intentionality. Plan your videos around solving one specific problem or giving one clear value. You understand? Make sure that any video that you post on social media, on YouTube especially, or if you belong in any social media, make sure that that video is solving a problem. You understand? That video is solving a problem and is giving value to people. At least when people watch your video, they will be very happy. That is why the retention come in place. Because when people watch your video, if they are happy, they will be eager to come back again to watch your next upload. You understand? So the third one is improvements. After every video watch, ask yourself, what did I learn? You understand? After every video that you upload, you understand, and you watch it by yourself, ask yourself, in this video that I made, what did I learn from it? What will people learn from it? That is the way to improve. At least even you check your video, you analyze your video, know what you did wrong, know what you did right, so that in your next upload you will not repeat that kind of mistake. You understand? This is what they are telling you. So what can I do next time to better it? You understand? You say, okay, I have made a mistake on this part. Okay, my next upload, I will not do such a thing. So this is how people grow on YouTube. This is how people get views on YouTube. This is how people get subscribers. I don't know if what I'm saying makes sense. All right. So we are heading. This is number 4. Number 4 is what I term the truth about growth. Let me explain what this growth is all about. You know, growth doesn't just come from doing more. You understand? Doing more, posting more videos without any heads up, without any focus, without any plan. You understand? Growth doesn't just happen that way. But growth comes from doing better. You understand? When you do better than the last video that you uploaded, the next one. That is why they tell you YouTube is a place where we improve, where we learn in the business, where we learn in the journey. You understand? You know, when you are working outside, before you get a work from outside or from a company, you have to know what you're doing. They will interview you. If you are qualified, they will put you into the work. But thank God that this YouTube is not like that. Anybody can start up YouTube, then you learn on the journey. You understand? So it comes from doing better. Powerful with targeted video can grow your channel more than 30 random ones. One video that you put down to plan by yourself will yield more growth more than the 30 video that you have been posting randomly without any heads up, without any plan. You understand? So if you really want to succeed on this YouTube or on this internet, you need to sit down to strategize your plan. Put this your channel, this channel, you need a tactics to run it. Okay, you don't just come and open a channel and start uploading randomly. Growth will not happen overnight. You understand? You need to have a plan, what your channel is all about. Yes. And again, be consistent, but be smart about it. Remember, I told you that being consistent is not the thing, but are you smart about it? Are you smart? This is the question that you should ask yourself. This thing that I'm showing up on my channel every day, is people getting something from it? Am I making sense? Am I making a good video that people will gain a lot from your video? This is what you should ask yourself. So be consistent and be smart about it. So if you have been stuck thinking that consistency alone will bring growth, you know better now. Consistency doesn't bring growth. Yeah, being consistent doesn't, without a quality or without a plan or without a heads up, doesn't bring growth to your channel. You understand? What brings growth to your channel is being consistent and be smart about it. You understand? Be creative. Think, know what to do, know what will work for you on your channel. Okay? Now, shift your focus to clarity, strategy, and value. This is how you gain views. If you're lacking views on your channel, if you're lacking recommendation on your channel, if you're lacking engagement on your channel, this is what will bring it back. You understand? Remember, a clarity number 1, strategy number 2, and value number 3. You understand? If you do these 3 things, you see how your channel will pick up. You see how you have retention. People will come and watch your next upload. They will come back again to watch without you begging for it. So you have seen, this is the end of it. You understand? This is the end of this bad advice that these YouTube gurus are giving to people. You understand? So if you want help growing with purpose, not just hustle, make sure to hit the subscription button. You understand? Make sure that you like my video, subscribe to my channel. All right, just like my video, subscribe to my channel. And again, the next thing you will do for me, just drop a comment. Tell me where you are on your YouTube channel journey. You understand? I would love to read from you. I would love to hear from you. Okay, just write it on the comment section. I want to know your growth. I want to know where you are on this YouTube journey. Okay, till I come your way next time. All right, remain blessed. Bye.